Hi, good morning, and welcome to my open house. It's here on 2221 Grove East Circle, and I will take you around to the outside, but there is one off-street parking spot right here, which can quite easily be turned into a garage. It's a nice, mature lot. Incidentally, if you need to contact me, there we go, 303-880-5230, and I love to receive texts. So, just want to continue on here. Okay, lovely, beautiful house. As you can see, I don't know if you can actually, but 1895 is what the owner thinks it is, and the tax record actually says 1900s. So let's go inside, and I just want to show you, this is a very cool feature. It is like a little sunroom that you can come into, and it's got a big trom wall here, so good passive solar gain. And then so this is how we came in, and as you can see, there are some booties here, but you don't have to wear them, because this is, as you know, a virtual open house. So this is the living area, and again, you know, there's a real sense of openness. This is not really a window. Okay, as you can see, I can put my hand right through. It's just a connection with the trom wall, so that the heat comes into the inside here. And it has a really good gas stove, which is rocking right now because it's I think it's 80 degrees out, 48 degrees outside. So nice little fan just to spread the warmth through the house. So off the living area is a bedroom, a small bedroom. It's actually not all that small, and it's nice and light. It has a nice closet right here. The floors are number 3 pine, so the owner, when he remodeled here, just put in broad planking, which is very, very pretty, and I actually feel that it's prettier than oak, but each to his own. So the heat here is hot water, natural gas. I'll show you shortly. Actually, I might as well show you now. So you can see the bookcase here, and if we go up and unlock it, a secret panel, and here a very clean utility room. The heat is on 3 zones, which means if you so choose, you could shut down a zone and only heat one side. There's the furnace and the hot water heater, and I will now close that up, but it's a cute way of covering up the utility room. There we go. And then the second bedroom, a little bit smaller, still very, very cute, and with its own little closet. Actually quite a nice deep closet. And the nice thing about the second bedroom is that it has its own entrance. So there is the outside. I'll take you outside shortly, but I did want to show you the separate entrance. So it's easy to have two people, or to rent out one of the rooms. Okay, we go back into the living area, and here is the kitchen. Okay, gas stove, all the stuff that you need. And of course, there's room for upgrade, as I'm sure you can realize, but it's a nice workable situation right now. And here is the downstairs full bath. And I did want to show you, I have 3 different books that I'd be happy to mail to you. As you can see, they are books, so it would need to be mailed. Okay, nice thing about books is you can scratch them up pretty good. So this one is home improvements that improve value, and I can send that to you. Here is another one, which is how to sell without an agent. Of course, I'd prefer you to have an agent, but some people really want to go by themselves, and so this is a possibility. And then the third one, you might know somebody who is in the process of getting ready or is in the middle of a divorce, and this would really, really help them. 9 years ago, I was divorced, and I wished that I had this book. Very, very helpful in terms of viewing the situation and the issues of the house. So I'll step out of the way here, but still give you a view of the bathroom. Okay. Now these tile floors, which are here in the kitchen and also in the second bedroom, let me just show you it here real quick, right? Here in the second bedroom, these floors are heated, which is really, really nice. I know we had an open house here recently, and some people came in with just socks, and the young lady that stepped in here went, "Oh my goodness, the floor is heated." Which, yes, it is. So, and then here is kind of a utility room, right, with a washer dryer, good storage, and of course, although this is a little cramped, there's a whole bunch of storage in here that goes under the stairwell. So good storage. I'll show you the storage outside when we step outside. So I got to keep moving here, otherwise this is going to be really long. So his use of wood, for me, is just quite beautiful. You can see solid core doors here, fir. This possibly could be made differently, but it's very easily a little office on the landing of the stairs as I came up, right? And then here is a really large master bedroom. Okay, master bedroom, very bright and light, windows on all 4 sides. 3 sides, sorry. No, actually 4 sides, yes. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one really is more the bathroom, but it is very light and bright too. So this is the full bath on the upstairs, and I've not explored it, but there's a ladder which goes up onto the top of the roof, and I'm not sure. I probably will have an opportunity to explore it at some point. And here is a little secret spot, which is a little meditation area, as you can see, with a little fountain. And but the meditation area, you've got to crawl in there, but it's very, very cool. Or tremendous storage capability. And then the other thing is that the second bedroom is directly below this, so it's very possible in a remodel, I would imagine, to vault out the second bedroom's ceiling to capture this spot. Okay, so now a very rapid descent. And I'll go out the back door, because you've seen the front, right? But I'll go out the back door here. There's more storage right out here at the back. This is a little mini Stonehenge, which is very cute at the back, but of course it's a spot where, you know, a garage could be put in. Here's the shed, and then the backyard is fascinating. It's a large backyard, and historically it was an orchard, and for the last 20 years, during which time my owner has owned this, it has been an organic garden. Now, it goes all the way to that back fence there. So there's that, and I'll walk you around this back garden here. Okay, and next door neighbor right here. And then if I take you around, this is that separate entrance, right, into the third bedroom, which is downstairs. And okay, so trom wall and the outstairs sun porch. So I think that's it for the moment, except I would like to visit with you just very briefly. So I'll step down here. So yeah, I'm Matt Makovsky, and the best way to reach me is 303-880-5230. And I'd love texts and phone calls. And of course, I have an email, Matt, M-A-T-T, at, and then Matt Makovsky, so MATTMAKOWSKI.com. I'll go over that again. MATT at MATTMAKOWSKI.com. So if you want to find out more about the home, right now it's priced at $951, and it's 1,200 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and the address again is 221 Grove East Circle. So I'll just step out and you'll be able to see the Flatirons. So there you can see the Flatirons, and of course it's right by CU and Naropa, and then it's right in the midst of town. So thank you for coming, and have a great day.